here. So I'm going here. What the? Castle Rock Trail. It's here I go. It's right. Ready? Let's go. Okay, there's a trail going to those rocks, which is, and if you look around, you're really gonna get lost here because there's rocks everywhere. Wee trail. This is so good. In Castle Rock Trail, they actually point you a direction to where you go. Alright? But yeah. Okay, I'm recording a flower here. I'm in the middle of nowhere going hiking. As you can see there, it's rocks everywhere. And this one, it's a weird looking alien. Wow, look at this mountain full of rocks. Oh, wow. Steady, not too fast. Yeah, like that. Steady, not shaking. Okay, let's go. This way down here? Let's go.